We came today for the hearing of appeal, the appeal that we filed in 2019 against the judgment of the Federal High Court delivered by Honorable Justice Inyang, wherein certain Leonard Ezenwa was said to have been made. The court by that judgment declared him as the acting national chairman of the party on the premise that Sowore was suspended for 6 months. And of course, we came to the Court of Appeal being dissatisfied with that judgment. We filed an appeal on 7 grounds, predicated on lack of subject matter jurisdiction, on breach of Sowore and Dr. Malcolm's constitutional right to fair hearing, and lastly, on improper evaluation of evidence. The matter has had a very checkered history from 2019. It was delayed for several reasons. But thankfully, to the glory of God today, I am very happy to announce that our appeal was heard and judgment has now been reserved to a date that is to be communicated. I want to inform you that the obstacles to the hearing of the appeal on the merits were defeated today. INEC agreed with us that the lower court had no jurisdiction. But the same INEC, speaking with the other side of the mouth, said no. Even though they agree with the appellants that the Federal High Court had no jurisdiction, they asked that our appeal should be struck out. INEC filed a strange process. And that strangeness, again, was manifested today when even the lawyer to the first respondent, INEC, Leonard, also took quarrel with the practice that INEC adopted in this matter. So INEC had no option, but was forced to withdraw their objection, asking that Sowore's appeal be struck out. So that process by INEC, that application by INEC no longer exists. Secondly, Leonard had also, in his brief of argument, raised what he called a preliminary objection. But interestingly, when the matter came up today, Leonard's lawyer did not move that objection. He abandoned that objection. The implication in law is that there is no objection from INEC, there is no objection from Leonard regarding our appeal. And for me, that is exciting because we have said that is what it's supposed to be. So all that is left is for our appeal to be determined on the merits. So it will be for my lords to determine whether the 7 grounds of appeal and the 6 issues for determination canvassed arising from those 7 grounds are attainable or not. So in the coming days or weeks, we will get a date for judgment. Let us continue to repose confidence in the court. I must also thank my colleague, Omoyele, who is a resident in Abuja. Unlike us in Lagos that have to deal with traffic, he has been very helpful. He has been in this matter with me since 2017. His office has been helping us in receipt of process, in filing of our process. I'm very grateful to him and his firm. And I also thank every other person that has been supportive.
Thank you to our lawyer, Inibe Efiong, who repeatedly said I discovered when I had my first issue in Nigeria in 2017. I was called to a police station for a petition. Since then, we have not parted ways because we believe in only one thing and that's justice for the people of Nigeria. This is not the only thing he does. He fights for everything and everybody. Sometimes he fights for human beings, sometimes he fights for animals. Yes, that will be a discussion for another day. So I just want to thank you, and I want to thank all of our members who have been around in every sitting. We've been available to sit in this court. And we have no more comments now because our focus is on our campaign. So I urge you, if you have time, to find a conversation today on Arise TV. It was an amazing one. Watch it and let's continue to talk about the issues. What is important for us is how to defeat the behemoth that is holding Nigeria to ransom today. The 2 criminal political parties, APC and PDP. That's what is uppermost in my mind. The lawyers have done a good job and they will continue to do the job of taking care of our legal issues. Thank you very much. We cannot continue
The time has come to fight for what is right.